Hey there again. So Moondrop has been developing quite a reputation in the audiophile community for their affordable earphones. The Moondrop Aria is one of the latest additions to their stable. It's been getting rave reviews from all quarters, including some very well regarded reviewers, so I thought they deserved a listen. We're going to compare them to my sub $100 sound quality reference, the deep insertion Etymotic MK5. So as usual, put on your best headphones or earphones and take a listen for yourself. Welcome to GI Channel. GI Chow is a world top 10,000 Amazon Vine reviewer building a community searching out high quality at the lowest price. If you're getting value, subscribe or leave a comment below to be a part of it and help us grow. Thanks. So starting with sound quality, these have good clarity and a detailed unsibilant treble. However, male vocals particularly lack some body and can sound thin, as though one doesn't have a sufficient ear tip seal, even when using perfectly sealing foam tips. While the bass has good impact and attack, the tightness or damping, speed of decay and lack of extension means the bass can be dry and unsatisfying. Hence the dreamy bass reverberance of some EDM, for example, can be somewhat lacking. Given the 100-hour burn-in period recommended, I left these playing for 4 days continuously, listening at intervals and changing the volume. However, there was no significant change beyond the first few hours. They do respond well to EQ, which can add back some of the missing weight, though the upper mids still remain more forward and emphasised relative to other frequencies, and the bass response doesn't reach the levels of even my fairly even-handed Etymotic MK5. Moving on to comfort and fit, the nozzle's length makes them a bit more noticeable than some, though not anywhere near the discomfort of Etymotic deep insertion offerings. The shape was a good fit for my ears, so the metal construction makes them a little heavier and cooler to the touch than my ideal. The cable is cloth covered, but happily not particularly microphonic, so handling and rubbing noise is not picked up through the earphones. I would have appreciated inline controls for track, skip, volume and the option of a microphone, so they could be used for phone calls. Overall, despite the praise from several popular audiophile YouTubers I often agree with and respect, like Joshua Velour, Superstar Review, Portify, Spolt and Vortex, I was rather underwhelmed by these earphones, even taking into account my understanding of the sound signature those reviewers favour. Still, this mass audiophile hysteria is nothing new. Hyped products appear every year in the audiophile community, from the 2011 clear but bass-like Hi-Fi Man RE0 to 2016 metallic Dunu Titan 1, piercingly bright 2018 TRN V80, and 2020 natural but lower resolution blonde BL03. In a nutshell then, these earphones offer good clarity and are generally comfortable and not too heavy or unattractive design that out of the box and without significant EQ misses bass quantity and body in the lower mids, even following the ridiculous 100-hour burning period and changing ear tips. So of course one can't compare earphones to headphones, however just from a sound quality and enjoyment perspective, I found the much cheaper monoprice Retro, shout out to Chef Steve by the way for the rec, which has the reputation of being a bass lover's headphone with a bass that leans the other way from neutral, a much more satisfying listen across my wide-ranging music from rock and pop to indie, EDM and classical. The hype train may be approaching full speed with these earphones. However, while they win for comfort and convenience of use, they don't beat or even equal my tissue filter modified £50 Etymotic MK5, for naturalness of sound quality, or even my £3 Samsung EHS64 with inline mic and controls for practicality. As usual, thanks for watching, and to my subscribers, get involved in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.